Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the section which is called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Before we will enter it, I forgot to mention at the very beginning, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's up to you. However, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. So let's tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts, and here tap on this plus icon, Add Account. Then tap on Google. And again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Sorry, that's all right. And tap on Next. It might take a while. So definitely be patient whilst the connection to the server. So here in this section, you need to enter the password. So simply do it and then tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. All right, here the backup option. So you can decide whether you want to back up the device. I don't want to do it, but to be honest, I highly recommend to simply tap on Turn on Backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you want to, you can remove it. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.